In the mirror, the one who is there, he is very happy. And his appreciation is worth receiving than anybody else. Because he is the only person who knows each and everything about you. You people might be knowing me as a teacher, as a coordinator, as a chief coordinator, but many of my dark secrets nobody knows in this room. So what kind of husband I might be, what kind of father I might be, I have various roles to play. In that a lot of dark secrets will be there, only I know. But if I have dared to look into the mirror and talk to that person, he'll be always correcting me, and talking to that person is important. I appeal all of you to at least spare 2 minutes of your whole day's time to talk to that person. He's the one, he's the good mentor, he's the good guide, and he's the one who can judge you correctly than anybody else. Right? So that is the beauty of this self-analysis.